In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to Squarespace. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Let's start by going to the Google Analytics homepage. You can reach this by typing Google Analytics in your web browser or using the direct link available if you're following along online. Once you arrive at the Analytics page, your next step is to click on the Sign into Analytics button. This will prompt you to log in using your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, now's a good time to create one. It's essential for accessing Google's suite of business tools, which include analytics. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Google Analytics home. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this dashboard. It's designed to provide a snapshot of your analytics data, making it easier to get a quick overview of your website's performance metrics. Now, we're going to dive into setting up your site with these analytics capabilities. Look for the settings icon, which is usually located at the lower left corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open the settings menu. Next, choose Create from the options presented. This step initiates the process of setting up a new analytics property, which is essentially a data collection point for a website or app. Click on Property and you'll be prompted to fill out some details. This setup will differ slightly depending on whether you're using an existing account or starting fresh. If this is your first time, you'll need to create a property for your Squarespace site. Follow the prompts, entering the requested information such as the property name, time zone, and currency. Once that's done, your property setup is complete, and all that's left to do is to integrate it with your Squarespace site to start gathering data. Squarespace makes this easy by providing a specific field for Google Analytics in its settings. Navigate to Settings in your Squarespace dashboard, then click on Advanced, and there you should see an option for External Services. Click on it and you'll find a spot to enter your Google Analytics tracking ID. To find this ID, return to your Google Analytics property. Within the admin panel, there will be an option for tracking info where you can find your tracking ID. Copy this tracking ID, return to your Squarespace settings and paste it into the field provided. Save your changes, and just like that, you've successfully added Google Analytics to your Squarespace site. Now you can return to your Google Analytics dashboard to see the data start rolling in. It might take a bit of time for the first sets of data to appear, but once it does, you'll have a wealth of information at your fingertips to help you understand your website traffic and user behavior better. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've linked Google Analytics to Squarespace, setting the stage for insightful data collection and analysis. Happy analyzing!